What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be installing some spacers on the 335. Haven't done so yet, have other mods, but haven't installed some simple spacers. But we're just gonna be installing the front ones for today, since that's the worst fitment. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Don't mind my dirt here. But yeah, that fitment, we gotta fix that. No bueno. The bags are actually pretty decent. Check it out. It's not like stupid good, but it's decent since I am running some pretty wide tires in the back. But I'm gonna get a little cold start on the car. Definitely gonna be a cold start because it's cold as shit. But let's get it. Alrighty guys, so this is gonna be the before fitment. So as you can see, I already got some camber on it, but it's not actually out from the top because it has no spacer. Like you can see the bottom of the rim, but not the top. So the camber's kind of weird, but with the spacer in the camber, it's gonna look crazy. Alrighty guys, so the tools or the things we need to put the spacers is one of these. It's just to make this like the stud, I think it's called, much longer, and then this one to be able to adapt it. So it's actually making it better because it makes an adapter. Since BMW wheels, you have to kind of like balance it to put in the torque, and this way it makes it much easier. But I'll put in the cons below, like the actual sizing. And then, alrighty guys, so after you take out the wheel, obviously we're gonna put the spacers on. I'll show you guys right now in a minute the sizing of the spacer I'm gonna be using. But you first put this side first that actually fits this. I believe you could go to your local like wheel shop, tire shop, and they'll help you out. But you basically just have to put it here, and then also
it's called tire.
It's like for space.
Thread lock.
Yeah, like thread lock, so it could actually lock.
See.
And then we're gonna use these. These are gonna pop out a bit, but low-key looks good. But this way it makes it easier, so we could just install the tire on it and not have to like balance it here and no have to guess where the hole is and shit. But these are the spacers we're gonna be using. They're like about half an inch. Here, I don't even think they're just no brands, but just make sure. Oh, EDSs, and just make sure. These are like the wannabe ECS, but make sure you get them for your actual Beamer, because I just figured out they have to be spacers specifically for your car, because I tried installing them on the G and they did not go on whatsoever, not even close. But yeah, I'll show you guys once it's like done installing. Alrighty guys, so I'm just making this little quick video. We're finally done. This is how they look. As you can see more of the rim now. And another thing is that I'm gonna be getting for it to look better, meteor like front tires, because these like it's kind of stretched. There's a little stretched, but something more meteor and it'll definitely look much lower than like how it is. But I think it came out pretty good, easy install. But damn, you definitely should get spacers. It's something very small, but you can tell the difference for sure. I want to show you guys a little clip for much farther. On the front. Shit. You see how they pop out and the wheels don't even turn? Well, it is kind of a bit. And I'm also on coilovers on the front, so it has a bit of camber, so it looks good. But damn, yeah, you guys should definitely get spacers. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.